Good morning, everyone. Administration heard problems in Jojukala village under the night stay program. Citizens should tell their problems without hesitation. Solution will be done in a timely manner. Needy citizens should take advantage of the public welfare schemes of the government. As per the instructions of Haryana Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, the district administration organized a night stay program in Jojukala village from 7 p.m. on Wednesday. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma along with administrative officials directly communicated with the villagers. During this he heard public and personal problems and resolved them on the spot. During the program, the Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma told the citizens that government is working dedicatedly to public service. Along with the solution camp, the administration is reaching the village under the night stay program with the aim of conducting public hearing at the doorstep of the people. The district administration is always ready to listen to the problems of the citizens and solve them. The administration is organizing solution camps every Monday and Thursday at the headquarters and subdivision level, in which continuous monitoring of redressal of the received complaints is also being done. If any citizen has any problem related to any department, then he should put there before to the administration without any hesitation. They will be resolved in a timely manner. Along with this, he appealed to the villagers to contribute to the development of the village. He said that there are many welfare schemes of the central state government for the welfare of needy eligible people, which the needy people should take advantage of. To get information about the scheme, they should contact the officials of the concerned department. He said that nowadays all the schemes are liquid with the family identity card. All the necessary services have been made online by the government. The aim of the government is that needy and the last person standing in the queue should get the benefit of the schemes with transparency. The Deputy Commissioner said that the government should come to your door and solve your problems so that people not have to make rounds for any work. With this thinking, night stay program are being organized in the rural areas of the district. He said that generally it not possible that every person reaches the government office with his complaint. In such a situation, these night camps being organized under the guidance of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini are proving to be the effective for the general public. Superintendent of Police Harsh Verma, CTM Jitendra Kumar, DRO, Deputy Director Animal Husbandry Dr. Jaswant June, BDPO Swati, Executive Engineer Vedpal Sangwan, Sohanlal, Kushan Kumar, Stender Sangwan, Shamlal and Ajay Rathi, along with these officers and employees of various departments were present in the program. Matsya Pakhwada Awareness Camp Program organized. The Fisheries Department organized a Matsya Pakhwada Awareness Camp in the Chopal near the school of Sahwas village. Under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, the Fisheries Department celebrated a special awareness fortnight in the month of April. In this, information related to fish farming is being given to citizens by organizing programs at the district block village level. The fisheries officer, while giving information, said that under various schemes of fishing farming subsidies being given at the rate of 40% and 60% subsidy. So for the fisheries department has organized the fisheries awareness camps in various villages of district Charkhi Dadri like Mirch, Charkhi Dadri, Kamohj, Sahwas, etc. In this camp, citizens were told about various schemes being run by the fisheries department like welfare of scheduled caste, family under fisheries sector scheme, Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana scheme, Intensive Fisheries Development Program scheme. The Fisheries Department is providing subsidy to scheduled caste farmers after leasing panchayat ponds for fish farming at the rate of 50% and 50,000 per hectare on amount for the year, and the 40 and maximum 40,000 per hectare for the second and next 5 years. He informed that the department is giving subsidy of 24,000 at per the 60% to scheduled caste people on purchase of net worth 40,000. Under above scheme, if any fish farmer purchase a cart of 60,000 and selling fish product like fish pakoda, fish curry, adi, subsidy of 60% is being provided under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. The Fisheries Department is providing 40% subsidy to the general category, 60% women and 60% to the scheduled caste category for fish shrimp farming in fresh and salt water. For digging new points, it is the increasing the income of fish farmers by linking them with self-employment. Samadhan camp organized in the auditorium of Mini Secretariat, Charkhi Dadri. Samadhan camp was organized to resolve the complaints of citizens continuously in the district. The complaints coming in these camps being organized on the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini are being resolved on the spot. On Thursday, under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, CTM Jitendra Kumar heard the complaints of the people in the auditorium of the Mini Secretariat and directed the concerned officials to resolve them. The concerned officials started the process of resolving these complaints on the spot. Under the initiative of the state government, Samadhan camps are now being organized on Monday and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 12 noon at the district and subdivision headquarters to resolve the complaints of citizens. In the Samadhan camps, complaints related to all departments are being resolved under one roof. Revenue Minister honored students. Government is providing better opportunity for education. Now talents are getting jobs without spending a ticket. Continuous work is being done to provide good education and related infrastructure to the youth of the state. The government knows that the future of children lies good education, and keeping thought in mind, work is being done to improve the field of education. Haryana Revenue Minister Vipul Goyal said this while addressing the Pratibha Saman ceremony organized at the local Janta College, paying tribute to the founder of Dadri Education Society, freedom fighter and former MP late Ramkishan Gupta. He said that was a person with farsighted thinking who won 185 weekend of education in the Dadri area. He said that at the time thinking about education is important in itself. He said that the foundation for shaping the future of the youth of this area. The Revenue Minister said that under the leadership of Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, work has been done in a positive direction in under areas including education in the entire country. Education in India has been important for centuries, and a person like Macaulay tried to mess with India by changing this education, but now the country has a system based on India and not on the Mughals and the British. He said that under leadership of the Prime Minister, work is being done in every field in the entire country. He said that on the lives, the center work has been done towards positive change all areas, including education in Haryana. The government knows that the future of children lies in education. Taking this thought forward, the work of opening women's college every 20 kilometer in Haryana was started in the year 2014. The government is decided to open medical colleges all India district of the state. He said that the better arrangements in the field of education, the government has given the youth a chance for a golden future. Now talented youth in Haryana do not need to run around politicians for jobs. Youth are getting jobs on the basis of their talent without spending money after getting educated. He also donated 11 lakh from his fund to the institution. On this occasion, he facilitated the students to assert various fields in the college. बीजेपी लीडर संदीप जोशी, जीतराम, पवन कुमार गुप्ता, अशोक गोयल, सुरेश अग्रवाल, सीटीएम जितेंद्र कुमार, राधेश्याम, सुरेश कुमार, दीपक कुमार, and Principal Yashveer Singh, along with officials of the Dadri Education Society, college staff and students were present in the program. So, friends, thank you very much for this watching this news channel PPT News. So I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. So take care, bye, see you, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care.